How to assemble a 500 kL scale. Carefully remove the contents of the carton and place each part on a flat, level, and dry surface. A Phillips head screwdriver is required for assembly. Locate the load cell connector cable at the bottom of the top column. Feed the cable through the lower column. Align the columns and snap the locking tab into place. Use caution not to pinch the load cell connector cable when connecting the columns. Place the scale platform face up. Read the attention label on the wheel cover, remove the label, and then place the wheel cover onto the platform. Align the column above the platform with the display head facing the scale platform. Carefully pull the load cell connector cable from the bottom of the column and plug into the RJ jack on the platform. Once plugged in, completely lower the column into the cover until it fits tightly into the platform base. Keep a firm hold on the pillar and platform together and securely position the scale on its side on a flat surface. You can also use a chair to support the front of the display head and the floor to support the platform. With the column fully inserted into the platform, ensure all 4 column screws are completely protruding from the bottom of the platform. Obtain the 4 column fastening washers from the packaging. Place a washer on one of the column screws. Flush along the platform as shown. Pull back slightly on the column to trap the washer against the platform. Use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten the column screw assembly into the platform. As the screw is tightened, the column will pull back into place. Place the remaining 3 column fastening washers onto the column screws and completely tighten. Ensure the column and platform are aligned and perpendicular as each screw is tightened. When finished, return the scale to its upright position and ensure the column is securely in place with no movement. If the column is not completely secure, tighten column screws as needed. Place the scale back on its side and on the underside of the platform, feed the wire for the power adapter port through the base and plug it into the port. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw from the battery compartment cover located on the back of the display. Then press downward on the locking tab to remove the cover. Install the 6 batteries included with the scale and reattach the battery cover. Return the scale to its upright position. Align the top and bottom height rod pieces and snap them into place to secure. Press the locking tabs at the bottom of the height rod and slide into the channel on the front of the scale. Remove the sticker from the display and power on the scale. The scale is now ready for use.